it's Nisha. Today I am going to do another 5-minute eye. I haven't done one of those for ages. I have a full playlist. I will link it here. This is a video where I just do on camera one eye and try to do it in 5 minutes. Obviously it's a bit longer because I talk. Today I am going to use Natasha Denona Glam palette and the retro one. I think they really complement each other because they are both quite cool. So let's do it. On Sonia G Blender Pro I am going to go to this crease in the Glam palette and apply it in a crease and blend it upwards. With the Rifa 13, I'm going to go into Andy in the retro palette and just go in a crease just to add to that grey colour a bit more mauviness. On a Rifa 02, I'm going to go into Glam palette center eyelid. I should have shown it to you this way. This one, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. With Hulu P66 I'm going to retro and groove, and I'm going to apply it on my outer 7. And drag it slightly into the crease. Blend it out with Rifa 15, just blend the edges. On a Rifa 03, I am going to go back to Groove in the retro palette and apply it on a lower lash line, almost to inner corner. On Rifa 13, I'm going to go into Andy and blend that lower lash line out. From the Glam palette, I'm going to go into inner corner and I'm going to use it under my eyebrow. I'm going to use MAC 17, just very little. With the Rifa 23, I'm going to go into that inner corner and actually put it in my inner corner. Now from a retro palette, I'm going to take Glitz with my finger and just pop it in the middle of my eyelid. I'm going to darken my lash line with a kohl pencil. It's an old pencil. But you just do it with any kohl pencil that you have. And mascara. Lashes are done. I've also applied false lashes. You probably can't see it, Swede sweet lashes, which are like half lashes, and they are called Tete. Now I'm going to take Zoeva 317 and go into the Glam palette lash line, this one in the middle. I've wet the brush, and then I'm just going to almost draw another lash here. And that's the finished look. So we have the plumness from the retro palette and much cooler greyish look here at the top from the Glam palette. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.